Common cellphone problems you can fix as a beginner. Alam mo ba, maraming cellphone repair problems na akala mo mahirap, pero kaya pala ng beginner kapag alam ang basic troubleshooting. Halimbawa, no power, baka loose connector, no charging, pwedeng charging port ang sira. Hang logo, madalas software issue yan. At yung no signal, baka antenna problem. Dito sa Smartphone Doctor Cellphone Repair Training, tuturuan ka namin step by step, mula basic hanggang actual hands-on troubleshooting. Hindi mo kailangan ng degree para matutong mag-ayos ng phone. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang training at willingness matuto. Marami na ang nagsimula bilang beginner. Ngayon, kumikita na sila linggo-linggo sa cellphone repair. Mag-enroll ka na sa Smartphone Doctor Cellphone Repair Training. We are located sa Blumentritt, Santa Mon Cruz, Manila. Comment skills kung gusto mong matutong mag-ayos ng phone at magsimula ng bagong income.